Building an Outdoor Kitchen, How-To Sheet number 341. Enjoy the outdoors more often with a beautiful outdoor kitchen you can build yourself using the AB Courtyard Collection. Before you begin, be sure to have all the tools you need for your project. Refer to How-To Sheet number 341 for a complete list. To begin, determine the location of your outdoor kitchen and use a measuring tape to mark out the location of the back wall. Then use a chalk line to create a guide and mark the area with masking tape to ensure the wall will line up straight. Begin the first course by placing a corner block at the corner. Then place the large piece of an AB Dublin end split block next to it. For more information on splitting and cutting blocks, see How-To Sheet number 210. Working out from the corner, place another corner block and an AB York block as shown in the pattern layout. Before continuing the first course, check to make sure the blocks are lining up properly by using a square. Make any adjustments that may be necessary. Continue placing blocks following the pattern for the first post. Be sure to place a corner block in the center of the post area. This will give added support to the structure. Then align the entire post using a square to make sure all the blocks line up straight. Make any adjustments that may be necessary. Continue laying blocks along the back wall, following the pattern layout. Finish the wall with the other piece of the AB Dublin end split block, and follow it with a corner block. Place a couple of blocks for the second post and then check the corner to make sure it is square. Then continue building the second post, setting the blocks in place, making any adjustments as you go. Following the layout of your kitchen, continue placing blocks, finishing the course with a corner block that is cut to fit. Adjust the entire area using a square. Make any adjustments that may be necessary. Begin the second course at the first post, following the pattern layout, finishing the post with a corner block in the center. Once the first post is in place, continue placing blocks along the back wall. Then finish the back wall with the second post. To complete the side wall, follow the second course pattern layout, finishing with a corner block. Continue stacking blocks on the third and fourth courses, following the layout patterns. On the fifth course of the post, you will find that the last corner block does not sit level with the rest of the post. The raised ring on the top of the AB York block below will need to be removed. To remove the raised ring, use a hammer and chisel to chip off the ring until the top of the block is flush. Then replace the modified block and set the corner block into place. When installing the back wall, you may need to flip blocks over to create a flat surface for the next course of blocks and the countertop material. Continue placing blocks for the 6th and 7th courses, following the designated patterns. Now that the kitchen is built to the desired height, finish the back wall with wall caps. To secure the wall caps in place, simply add a bead of adhesive to each side of the blocks below and then set the caps back into place. Now you are ready for countertops. Set the countertops into place and check to make sure that they are level. Once they are level, secure them in place with adhesive along the edge of each countertop piece and along the tops of the blocks. And there you have it, a beautiful outdoor kitchen, a great addition to your backyard. For a complete library of AB Courtyard how-to sheets, visit us at allenblock.com.